says J is the midpoint of line segment GH. J is located at 4, -4, and H is located at 10, -2. What are the coordinates of point G? So you want to be really careful reading these questions because they've given us the midpoint and they've given us an endpoint, so we're looking for the other endpoint. I would guess that maybe these options C and D might be for if you were trying to find a midpoint between these 2 points. That's what it looks like. 7, -3 would be around a midpoint for those, so make sure you're reading midpoint questions very carefully. I'm going to use this chart, this graph, to check. When I find midpoint, I kind of have a weird way of doing it. So alright, one of our endpoints is 10, -2. And the midpoint is 4, -4, and I'm looking for these mystery coordinates that are my other endpoint. So like I use a number line essentially. If we just look at our x coordinates, to get from 4 to 10, I would be increasing by 6. 4 plus 6 gives me 10. So if I decrease by 6, that will give me the x coordinate of the other endpoint. So that's -2. There are you could use the midpoint formula and modify it, but this is my method, and I think people usually like it. I can do the same thing for the y's. Get from -4 to -2. I am going up by 2. I know that's a little confusing, but if you're picturing the number line, we're going towards the positive numbers, which means to get this y coordinate, I need to subtract 2, which would put me at -6. So point G, my other endpoint, should be -2, -6. Let's just put that on the graph to confirm. -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That does, in fact, look like a midpoint. If you really wanted to be 100% sure, do a quick kind of half distance check. This is up to over 6. And then to get from the midpoint to this one, it's up to over 6. So this is the same distance as that, which means J is the midpoint, and the correct answer here is B.